So I am moving the deal into the raised garden bed, and I just wanted to do a quick video real quick because these are still babies. And though being in Corpus, there's like a lot of high winds. So what I did was I cut a plastic water bottle. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. And I'm just going to use them as little domes to keep the wind out. And also, you can just kind of pour your water directly into this little area. And then as they grow, just remove them. But right now, it just kind of acts as a wind block